Welcome back to Silky Hair Studio. If you are new here, we share professional beauty secrets, wellness tips, and now effective fitness routines that actually deliver results. Make sure to. Now, let's talk about morning workouts. Most people think you need hours, heavy weights, or a personal trainer to see real change. That is a myth. The truth is, consistency beats intensity. 10 minutes done every day is far more powerful than 1 hour done once a week. And when you do those 10 minutes at the right time, with the right moves, your body enters a fat-burning state that lasts all day long. This routine is built on 3 principles. First, metabolic activation. We wake up your metabolism so it burns calories even while you sit at your desk. Second, compound movements. Every exercise works multiple muscle groups at once, maximizing calorie burn in minimal time. Third, progressive intensity. We start gentle to prevent injury, then build momentum so your heart rate climbs steadily without burnout. This is not about killing yourself. It is about working smarter. Before we begin, a quick note on safety. If you have any medical conditions, joint pain, or injuries, consult your doctor before starting. Always warm up. Listen to your body. Form matters more than speed. Now, let's break down the routine. Minute 1 is the warm-up. Stand with feet hip-width apart. Roll your shoulders back 10 times. Then forward 10 times. This loosens tension from sleep. Next, march in place with high knees for 30 seconds. Swing your arms naturally. This increases blood flow to your legs and core. Finish the warm-up with 10 arm circles forward, 10 backward. You should feel slightly warmer, more alert, and ready to move. Never skip this step. Cold muscles are prone to injury. Minute 2 is squat to reach. Stand tall. Lower into a squat as if sitting in a chair. Keep your chest up, knees behind toes. As you stand, reach both arms over. 10 backward. You should feel slightly warmer, more alert, and ready to move. Never skip this step. Cold muscles are prone to injury. Minute 2 is squat to reach. Stand tall. Lower into a squat as if sitting in a chair. Keep your chest up, knees behind toes. As you stand, reach both arms overhead. Repeat for 45 seconds. This move targets your glutes, quads, core, and shoulders. It also improves posture and mobility. Focus on control, not speed. Feel the burn in your legs. That is your muscles waking up. Minute 3 is push-up variation. If full push-ups are too hard, start on your knees or against a wall. Place hands slightly wider than shoulders. Lower your chest toward the floor, keeping elbows at a 45-degree angle. Push back up. Do as many as you can with good form for 45 seconds. This builds upper body strength, core stability, and functional fitness. If you feel wrist pain, make fists or use push-up bars. Minute 4 is mountain climbers. Start in a plank position. Drive your right knee toward your chest, then switch to left knee. Keep your hips level and core tight. Move at a pace you can sustain for 45 seconds. This is a full-body cardio burst that spikes your heart rate and torches calories. Keep your breathing steady. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. Minute 5 is the first recovery. Step your feet wide. Reach your right arm overhead and lean to the left. Hold for 15 seconds. Switch sides. This stretch releases tension in your obliques and lower back. Recovery is not rest. It is strategic. It lets your heart rate dip slightly so you can push harder in the next round. Minute 6 repeat squat to reach. Same form. Same focus. But now your muscles are warm, so you can go deeper and move with more power. Aim for 1 or 2 extra reps compared to minute 2. Progress is not always visible. Sometimes it is just 1 more rep, 1 deeper squat, 1 second longer hold. Minute 7 repeats push-up variation. By now, your arms might feel tired. That is normal. Focus on keeping your core engaged and your back flat. If you cannot do another rep with good form, hold the top position and squeeze your chest. Isometric holds build strength too. Minute 8 repeats mountain climbers. This is where mental toughness comes in. Your legs might burn. Your breath might quicken. Keep going. 30 more seconds. You are building endurance, not just muscle. Every rep is a step toward a stronger, leaner you. Minute 9 is the finisher. Jumping jacks for 45 seconds. If jumping is hard on your joints, step side to side while raising arms overhead. This final cardio burst empties your energy tanks and triggers the afterburn effect, where your body continues burning calories for hours after you finish. Minute 10 is the cool down. Stand tall. Take 3 deep breaths. Inhale through your nose, fill your belly, exhale slowly through your mouth. Then, reach both arms overhead and gently lean back. Hold for 10 seconds. Forward fold, letting your head hang heavy. Roll up slowly. Finish with a smile. You did it. Now, why does this work? First, morning exercise taps into your body's natural cortisol rhythm. Cortisol is highest in the morning, which helps mobilize fat stores for energy. Second, doing this routine before breakfast puts your body in a fasted state, increasing fat oxidation. Third, consistency creates habit. 10 minutes is short enough that you cannot make excuses. Do this 5 days a week for 30 days, and you will see changes in energy, posture, and body composition. To maximize results, pair this routine with 3 habits. 1. Drink a glass of water immediately after waking. Hydration kickstarts metabolism. 2. Eat a protein-rich breakfast within 30 minutes of finishing. Protein preserves muscle and keeps you full. 3. Get 7 hours of sleep. Recovery happens when you rest, not when you train. Common mistakes to avoid. Stop doing crunches. They are wasting your time. This 30-second exercise burns 3 times more belly fat and builds real core strength. Here is how. Get into a plank position. Elbows under shoulders. Body in a straight line. Now lift your right knee towards your right elbow. Return to plank. Switch sides. Left knee to left elbow. Keep moving fast. 30 seconds total. Feel that burn? That is your core working harder than any crunch. Do this every morning. 30 days. Watch your abs appear. No gym. No equipment. Just results. Save this and start today.